this a mobile device I see before me? The keyboard towards my hand? Okay, but my question is what happened to them? The devices I showed you, this was probably the more popular of the keyboard, entry over time. And I promise you that a person that was proficient on this could out type anybody today on any device that's mobile held in their hands. Proficient with a real keyboard. This one was a pretty good one too, the Tilt 2. Really liked this keyboard. So what we had HTC devices, 4 of them, a Motorola backflip, pretty nice keyboard. Actually, it might be the best of these keyboards of the HTC versus the HTC. Might be a little better than them in some way. And then, of course, the Blackberry. So what happened to this concept? It looked to be really catching on there in the 2000s. Of course, Windows mobile devices had them, and so did the Blackberries. And then as Android came out, I know the Motorola backflip had it. I don't know if there were any other devices. I don't remember. There may have been. But the point here is what happened to them. What's your thoughts on it? I don't know why we don't potentially see something come back as a small Bluetooth keyboard maybe that can find a way to fix itself. A Duo would be kind of a good candidate for that, to have a small keyboard that lays on the screen, hold it in laptop mode and type away. So what happened? Thanks for watching.